Hello, Rajesh sir. Welcome to the show. How are you, sir?
Yeah, I'm fine, Jignesh. Thank you.
So thank you for your time on a holiday. Sir, what's the outlook for the next week? And what are the top 5 week stocks that you think will do good?
So, Jignesh, looking at the market is decisively now broken above this 13,000 level, and now we are closed around 13,200 plus level. So, looking at the market setup, we are still bullish, and we expect that this momentum is likely to continue further, and Nifty can scale up towards 13,350, 450 zone in the next coming week. And the momentum is on the positive side only, so one should use any minor corrective action as a buying opportunity for those who are positional trader. Now they should place their stop loss at 13,050, 13,070 level till we are holding above that level. One should use any dip as a buying opportunity in the market. And for the bank nifty also, we have closed above 30,000 level, so which is also, positive sign on the bank nifty. And we feel that if we continues to hold about 29,900 for the bank nifty, we may expect furthermore upside momentum towards 30,500 to 30,800 on the higher side for Bank Nifty in the coming trading session. So on the both the indices, we are having positive view, and we expect that furthermore upside momentum we can see in the coming trading session. So one should use any dip as a buying opportunity. For this week, we have come out with 4-5 stock ideas from mid cap as well as from the large cap sector. And the momentum which we have seen on the sector specific, we tried to find out the opportunity on those sectors. The first sector is from the chemical sector. We have seen a lot of buzz and a lot of activity in the last week itself. So from chemical space, we like from the chemical space is Sumitomo Chemical. If you look at the overall setup, the stock was consolidating for last 6 months and in a range of around 260 to 300. And in the last week, we have seen that stock managed to do breakout above that consolidation range. So looking at the pattern, we believe that, this stock can do well. And furthermore, upside we can see towards 330, 340 in the coming trading session. So one can buy this stock and accumulate in the range of 305 to 299 with stop loss of 293. Another space which we like is pharma space, and from pharma space we like Aurobindo Pharma. If you look at the setup for Aurobindo Pharma, on the weekly chart, stock managed to give rounding bottom formation pattern breakout at 872 level, and the breakout is suggesting that this upward momentum we can see further towards the 950, 960 zone on the high side. So one can buy Aurobindo Pharma also from the current level also, and any minor corrective action if comes is a buying opportunity in the stock. One can place a stop loss of 865 to buy this Aurobindo Pharma also. Another space we like is that is FMCG, almost consolidation we have seen in the most of the FMCG stocks. And Pidilite is looking, attractive from that space, and looking at the breakout on the consolidation on the daily chart. Even the stock is continuously moving in the upsloping channel on the daily chart. Stock is trading above its important moving average. So we feel that one can buy and accumulate this Pidilite industry in the range of 1607 to 1575 with stop loss of 1532. And we expect that stock can rally towards 1710 to 1745 could be the possible target on the high side. Another space that was banking and financial, and from that space we like ICICI Bank. If you look at the overall setup, last 3 week stock was consolidating in range of 495 to 465 band, and in the last week we have seen the volume action was quite encouraging, and stock managed to give this consolidation range breakout. So looking at the breakout, we believe that if this ICICI Bank can move further higher towards 535 to 555, so one can buy and accumulate this stock also with stop loss of 478. So this stock is also looking very attractive at the current juncture. Another space we like, that is, broking industry, and from that we like CDSL. If you look at the setup for CDSL, stock managed to give breakout of the triangular formation, and on the weekly chart as well as on the daily chart, and looking at the breakout, we believe that CDSL can do well. And on the higher side, 590 or 600 plus target we can expect in the CDSL in the coming week. one can buy and accumulate this stock with stop loss of 510. So these all five stock ideas we feel that can do well in the coming trading session. So one can buy and accumulate this stock, and we believe that in next 10 to 15 trading session we can see these all the stocks to reach to their target price which we have projected for this weekly stock.
Thank you so much, sir, for your time.
Thank you, Dignesh. Yeah.
Thank you, sir.